Tremors were felt in parts of the United Arab Emirates, UAE, after 6.3 magnitude earthquake hit Iran in the wee hours of Saturday, Khaleej Times reported. According to the UAE National Center of Meteorology, the quake struck at 1:32 a.m. near Bandar Khamir, a city in southern Iran, at a depth of 10 kilometers. Following the quake in Iran, residents of Dubai, Sharjah and adjoining areas also felt the tremors. However, no loss of life or property damage has so far been reported yet. Pakistani actor and host Fakri Alam shared the video on Twitter soon after recording the tremor and called it the mother of all earthquakes.